West, you go ahead.
Attention all units, be on the lookout for a silver custom Ford Maverick. The driver details are Farmer Joe. He's wanted for street racing. Bring him in.
All units respond.
Car 96 responding.
Calling car 96. Have you apprehended the suspect?
Car 96, we have him surrounded.
Copy car 96. Car 96, request backup.
Proceed with caution.
Captain, suspect detained, bringing him in for questioning.
Well done, team. Farmer Joe, busted. Get a tow truck. Bring the Ford Maverick back to the compound.
10-4. Transport is on the way. West, you go ahead.
It's the lady at 46 South Road. 46 South Road.
One call, retone that, please. 10-4. Captain 4 to go to that location also.